Hey kids, let's sail away to Alphabet Island, where every letter brings a new surprise. Are you ready? Let's go.
A is for alligator,
Swimming in the stream. B is for a boat, it's shining in the gleam. C is for coconut, high up in the tree. Come along and sing with me. Alphabet Island, sail the sea, where the letters and the animals live happily. Clap your hands, tap your feet. Alphabet Island is a place to meet.
A is for dolphin, jumping in the waves. B is for elephant, so big and brave. F is for a fish, swimming all around. Let's keep sailing, what else can be found? A is for Alphabet
Island, sail the sea, where the letters and the animals live happily. Clap your hands, tap your feet. Alphabet Island is the place to meet. Alphabet Island, sail the sea, where the letters and the animals live happily. Clap your hands, tap your feet. Alphabet Island is the place to meet. Alphabet Island, sinking through the trees. K is for a kite, floating in the breeze. L is for a lizard, basking on a rock. M is for a monkey, ticking like a clock. And Druzy are waiting for you. Next time we'll sell for more letters too. Alphabet Island, we had so much fun, singing and playing in the tropical sun. Thanks for sailing to Alphabet Island. See you next time, friends. Bye, bye, bye. Hey, let's sail away to Alphabet Island, where every letter brings a new surprise. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for alligator, swimming in the stream. B is for a boat, it's shining in the gleam. C is for coconut, high up in the tree. Come along and sing with me. Alphabet Island, sail the sea, where the letters and the animals live happily. Clap your hands, tap your feet. Alphabet Island is the place to meet.